Hi, it's Scott from Your Store Wizards with a BigCommerce training video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a coupon code in your BigCommerce store. So here I am, I'm in my control panel. I'm going to go to Marketing. And for this video, I'm going to be clicking on Coupon Codes. As you can see on the top of my screen, in 2019, BigCommerce launched a new feature called Coupon Promotions. I'm not going to be going into details on the coupon promotions engine for this particular video. This is going to apply only to marketing and then coupon codes. So I'm going to go ahead and click on coupon code, and it takes us to the create a coupon code screen. BigCommerce is automatically going to assign a random coupon code, but we can put anything in here that we want to. So I'm going to call this Scott Coupon. And coupon name is a name that we are going to assign our coupon or promotion that's only visible to you, the store owner. It's never going to be seen by the customer. It's just for internal reference, and you'll see this in your control panel. So we're going to call this Scott's Coupon. Now, discount type. There's a few different things that you can do here. So you can do a dollar amount off the total order, dollar amount off each item in the order, a percentage off of each item in the order, a dollar amount off the shipping total, or you can offer customers free shipping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a coupon code for a dollar amount off of the order total. So my discount is going to be $5 off of my order if a customer types in Scott Coupon when they go to checkout. If I want to create a minimum purchase amount for this coupon, I would enter it here. So if I wanted customers to have to spend a minimum of $25 in order for this coupon to work, I'm going to go ahead and pop it in that box. So for this example, I am going to have customers place a minimum order of $25 in order to receive their $5 discount. Number of uses. If I'm doing a promotion and I want to limit this coupon code to the first 100 customers who use it, I would just put in the number 100. When the 101st customer attempts to use this coupon code, it will tell them that it's expired and no longer valid. If I wanted to limit the number of times a customer can use the coupon code, I would put that in this box as well. So if I have a lot of recurring customers, they order from me very frequently, this is a pretty good deal that I'm offering, and I only want customers to be able to use this once, I would enable this option and put in a 1. But I'm feeling generous, so I'm not going to limit it, and I'm going to leave this coupon code open to anyone who wants to use it. Exclude cart level discounts. If I click this box, this coupon code is not going to apply on top of any other cart level discounts that I may be offering throughout my store. So we don't want to lose too much money. So I am going to enable that option there so that they can't stack up different types of discounts. I'm going to enable it. And then let's see, I'm going to have this coupon code expire at the end of the month. So I would put in a date right there, 4/30/22. If you don't put a date in there, the coupon will just go on forever until you deactivate it. Now, there are some conditions that you can apply to your coupon code. The coupon code can be used with these categories. You can simply select all of them. Or if you only want it to apply to items in the bath category or the garden category, you can go ahead and choose those. The coupon code will be applied if any of the following products are added to the cart. So if you wanted to limit this to specific products, so it's only going to apply if you purchase, let's see here, if I go into garden, the canvas laundry cart. So I would go ahead and select that. That is the only item that this is going to be used for. But you know what? I'm just going to apply this to all my items in all categories. And then finally, there are some other advanced options here. If I wanted to limit this coupon code to only be used in the United States, I could do that there. If I only wanted it to apply to anybody who's living in a specific state, I could do that there, or country, um, states and countries. Or if I wanted to limit it to a specific zip code, I could do so there as well. But I'm not going to do any limiting by location. And then if I wanted this to apply to only orders with certain shipping methods, I would select the carrier here, but I'm not going to do that either. Then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and click Save, and the coupon code has been successfully created. And from here, you can go and see how many times these coupon codes have been used. You can also go in and edit the coupon code later on if you'd like. So there you have it. That's how to create a coupon code in BigCommerce. For more training videos and more information, be sure to visit us at yourstorewizards.com.